Okay, so this is the Olympic lighting LED Corn Light. Its part number is CL-65W8-55K-E26 for medium base. It also comes in an E39 base, and you just switch the part number on the end to E39. It's 65 watts, and it will replace a 250 watt metal halide. More than enough. Typically a 54 watt will do the trick. If you need a little bit more, this will work perfect for you. Also too, another good thing, although it is more wattage, it's also a little smaller than the typical corn light. So as you can see, it's about equal in size. It is a tad bit longer, so if you make sure it will fit in your fixture, you can give us a call and we can make sure that will work for you. Other than that, it's a 5-year warranty. It's rated for 50,000 hours. The Kelvin temperature is 5500 K, so it's a nice bright white. Any wall pack, any high bay, any exterior lighting application, it will do a great job for you. If you are running 480, we do carry a step down transformer, and we can step it down from 480 to 277 for you. The GE part number is 74119. You can just search for that in the box, in the search box. If you have any questions, please give us a call. The phone number is at the end of the video. Thanks a lot.